Assalamu alaikum guys. As you can see here, I have a Makita router. I will show you this router model number. It's Makita 3608B. It's a very good Makita router. So it's a very small, very tiny, very small. You can see it's very cool. It's very cool, mashallah. And here is a switch to on this, and here is lock. So I will show you his sound. You can check its sound, mashallah, his sound quality, and also his router is very fast and good. So I press this, you can check his voice, his sound is very cool. And how you can up and down this thing, I will show you. You can hear from here and here. You can lose this two things. You lose this and then press it, so he down. So this thing down, and your bit is here. So nothing, leave this. So it's a review of Makita 3608B, and as you can see, it's original Makita Corporation, Japan. It's not the fake. You can see it's a aluminium label, and also its details. Here is his serial number, as you can see. Here is serial number of this. So it's a very, that means it's original. And you can check also his sound, his voice. बंद कर.